Defense Attorney Mark Rosenfeld here. I wanted to answer a question I commonly get from clients, and it's about testifying in court, whether or not they have to take the stand and be cross-examined. And the answer is no. You have an absolute right to remain silent, which means that you do not have to take the stand and testify. Nobody can force you to take the stand and testify. And jurors are told by the judge that they cannot consider for any reason, they can't think about it, they can't talk about it, they can't discuss it if the person does not take the stand in their own defense. So the short answer is you do not have to take the stand and testify. You do not have to say anything in court that could be used against you or could incriminate you. You can remain silent. That being said, we know that jurors want to hear what someone says. So if jurors want to hear, what do? We figure out another way to tell the story, to get the information across. Are there other people who can stand in your place and testify and explain where you were, what was going on, what happened? I have been very successful in the past in getting information into court, telling the client's story without the client actually taking the stand. Another thing is that this issue of whether or not the client testifies can be addressed or dealt with when we're picking the jury, when we're doing what's called voir dire, and we discuss with the jury whether or not somebody is going to take the stand, what effect that would have, why might they not, and what if the judge tells them not to consider it. And I've had a lot of success in talking with jurors and getting them up front to understand that the person has an absolute right not to testify, and many jurors will agree. If a person testifies, they may not believe them because they're trying to protect themselves. If they don't testify, then they might be hiding something. So you can't really win. Therefore, the law says you have a right to remain silent, don't talk. So one of the questions I often get is, do I have to talk in court? Do I have to testify? The answer is no. Sometimes we decide that it is something we want to do, but most of the time my clients are going to remain silent and not talk. If you've got questions about trial or other criminal matters in Los Angeles, give me a call. You can reach me directly, 310-424-3145. 310-424-3145. Take care. Be safe.